Good morning, guys. This is your friend Limitless Yogesh here, back with one more morning while sharing. And as you see in the topic, that today we're gonna talk basically on why you need to build your own gig economy. And this is a topic which you have never heard of, actually. I mean, on mainstream medias or maybe government is not promoting it the way they should promote it, but it has a really big impact on you. And I'm building my own gig economy, and basis of that only I can tell you that when you build your own gig economy, you are not actually dependent, or I mean, the whatever the situation of your nation's economy is or world's economy is, it doesn't have any impact on your own economy. So that's why I decided to share this topic with all of you. And you all know that since we are in COVID, the economy has gone down. Salaries are cut. I know a lot of people जिनका 50% सैलरी कट हुआ है, lot of people जिनका 30% सैलरी कट हुआ है, बहुत सारे बिजनेसेस कोलैप्स हो गए. देयर वर लॉट ऑफ स्टार्टअप्स, लॉट ऑफ पीपल स्टार्टेड देयर ऑन, आई मीन दे स्टार्टेड देयर ओन कंपनी और देयर ओन गिग और दे बिकेम एन एंटरप्रेन्योर. बट ये कोविड में वो पूरे एकदम ढीले पड़ चुके हैं. So there is something going on worldwide which we all need to be aware, and that has impact on your own earnings, on your own incomes, on your own business. First we need to understand that we are in the world of capitalism. Now in world of capitalism, what happens is this entire economy, this entire control of the system is in hands of very few people, and they govern everything. They decide what we do, they decide the policies, how we should earn, how we should spend, what should be the tax we must pay to government. So all this is basically governed or directed by this capitalism. And what do you mean by capitalism is basically the big powerhouses, the big businessmen, the big politicians, they all control all this. And in this situation we really have less control in our hand, and that's why you see mass populations keep suffering. If you see around us, majority of people are not happy in their life because it has been impacted, their lives has been impacted. And the only thing is that we are not aware, we are not been taught about all these facts by neither by Indian government or worldwide governments, or neither by mainstream medias, because they are running their own agendas, and to run their own agendas they need to keep us in ignorance. That's why this all is happening. एंड हम लोग भोले लोग हैं ना, हम लोग गवर्नमेंट से फाइट भी नहीं करते हैं. हम अगर कोई बोल रहा है इफ एनी थिंग विच इज़ हैपनिंग, कुछ गलत चीज़ हो रही है हमारे सामने, तो हम उसको रिटेलिएट भी नहीं करते. दैट्स वाई वी आर इन एक्चुअली इन कलयुग राइट नाउ. बहुत सारा मेस हो रहा है आजू बाजू में. स्टिल इन दिस मेस, स्टिल यू कैन हैव योर ओन इकोनॉमी. मतलब आप अपनी खुद की इकोनॉमी बिल्ड कर सकते हैं इन सच ए वे देयर, आई मीन आपकी इकोनॉमी, आपकी इनकम पे कोई इम्पैक्ट नहीं है बाहर की दुनिया में क्या चल रहा है. देयर इज़ अ बिग कोच बॉब प्रॉक्टर. अगर आप उनको फॉलो करते तो यू मस्ट बी नोइंग दिस. और जो हमारे व्यूवर्स फॉलो नहीं करते, व्हाट बॉब प्रॉक्टर सेज इज योर इकोनॉमी इज़ इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ इकोनॉमी ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. आपको ये चीज़ जब समझ में आएगी, देन ओनली थिंग्स विल स्टार्ट मूविंग फॉर यू, देन ओनली लाइफ विल स्टार्ट चेंजिंग. बट अगर आपकी चीज़ समझ में नहीं आएगी, then you will keep suffering, you will be in that vicious cycle of the life where you don't have any control. तो इसमें क्या होता है basically, what is the gig economy? That's what I want to talk. So first of all, you understood कि ये सारे mess में when economy of the nation is down, economy of the world is down, still you can build your own gig economy. So now I will explain that what is gig economy. First you have to understand, you are building a gig economy means you are choosing a digital platforms in today's world where you are providing something to those digital platforms which they are asking for, where they need your support, and in that you are making your earning in a such a way that it is kind of building an income source for a long term for you. And in a way, after some time when you become successful into that particular niche, your economy gets established, and even you are working or not working, still money keeps coming. So that's how exciting it is. That's how exciting gig economy is, that you choose certain digital platforms where by just becoming part of those digital platforms you can really make a fortune out of it, and you can really on those projects. And in gig economy there are a variety of segments where you can work on. There are different platforms, there are different industries which are offering their services through this digital platforms. Now worldwide there are different datas, now worldwide some data says that the gig economy size of the world is $204 billion. Some data says that in India itself it is a $248 billion. So as it is not that organized sector, so we are not clear about the exact figure of the size of this gig economy, but you can understand from this data that it has immense potential worldwide. And in that India is considered to be the fifth largest country to be part of that gig economy. We have the fifth rank in this industry. Now in gig economy what happens is, let's take example of Ola, Uber. These are the digital platforms, they are actually the building the gig economy. Now earlier was the time where you used to attach your cars and then you used to earn. I have also done that in past, but that is not working anymore. So now what is happening in this entire gig segment or entire digital segment is, everything is becoming digital right now, everything is becoming online, everything is becoming e-commerce based. So in that segment there are a lot of opportunities, because all these big brands they are not self sufficient to run their business, they need support from us, they need support from people. There are the one side, there is a one platform, on the side of that platform you will see these big brands, and on the other side of this platform you will see end user or end customer. And now to serve those end customer, this platform need our support. People like you and me, they need our support, so that we can help them to provide the services to end customer, and in that process we can earn money. And this is a vast topic. Gig economy is a big thing, you can build anything in that, anything. I mean, I see the tourist segment in it, I see the food industry segment in it, I see a lot of things. If you heard the company called Upwork, so in Upwork you have to do some task for the particular client, you can fill up the Excel sheets, and there are so many things. So the bottom, the main point or the conclusion or the crux of this sharing is that world has become digitalized, and in this digital world there are a lot of platforms available for you. And if you engage yourself with one of the any brand or one of the any platform, you can make actually a lot of fortune from that. And that is how this big it is, and that is how you can build your own gig economy. Now next in next sharings I will come up with how you can do it. Till now you understood that it can be done, now you must be having question that how it can be done, so I'll come up with that sharing as well, that how you can do it. So till then, keep watching, keep liking, keep commenting, keep sharing, keep subscribing my videos, my Facebook page, You Are Born to Be Limitless, my YouTube channel, You Are Born to Be Limitless, and keep sharing it. You really never know, I mean, whatever you share might really help someone. That is how I got all this realization. I mean, someone shared something and I came to know that this is possible. Similar way you also can do it, and you also can contribute to a lot of people's life. So this is Limitless Yogesh signing off from here. Keep watching. Thank you so much.